Soldiers stand on the ground, waiting anxiously, their eyes fixed on the sky. Suddenly, the sound of rotor blades grows louder and louder, shaking the air. The Army helicopter appears, cutting through the clouds with raw power. A thick rope drops down from above, the lifeline between the battlefield and the skies. One by one, the brave soldiers rush forward, grab the rope tightly, and begin to climb. With strength and determination, they hold on as the helicopter rises higher and higher. Hanging in mid-air, fearless warriors are lifted above the battlefield, carried through smoke and wind. In a matter of seconds, they disappear into the sky, leaving only the echo of the helicopter behind. A daring extraction, proof of courage, discipline, and the unstoppable spirit of the Army in action.